Mr. Brajesh, you can unmute yourself. 1601 आप भी unmute कर सकते हैं. Anybody? कोई करेगा.
ब्रजेश जी विवेक जी के साथ मिल चुके हैं.
Okay, okay.
Hi sir, good evening.
Good evening, good evening.
So myself Venkat Vamsi. I am from Andhra, pursuing my CA final year course.
Okay, you're pursuing a CA, right?
Yes, CA final year.
CA final year. Good to, great, great.
Yes, sir.
Welcome, welcome, right?
Okay.
So, Vinny ma'am invited you, right?
Yes sir.
Okay. Good to see you, right? Thank you. Mr. Naveen, can you please introduce Mr. Naveen? Mr. Bhupen Singh.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, good afternoon. कहाँ से?
नवीन.
नवीन कहाँ से आप?
डिस्ट्रिक्ट शहडोल, जयसिंह नगर हॉस्पिटल में फील्ड ऑफिसर.
जयसिंह नगर से हैं आप, राइट?
ओके, राइट सर.
शहडोल, शहडोल बढ़ार उमरिया, वही शहडोल.
शहडोल.
ओके, समझ गया, ठीक है, गॉट योर पॉइंट. भूपेंद्र जी कहाँ से हैं?
जालोर से, राजस्थान.
अरे वाह, राजस्थान से आप. स्वागत है आप.
थैंक यू.
स्वागत है आपका. Yes, I am Sandeep Patak from Jabalpur. Yes, Sandeep, good to see you. Anybody else? Those who want to introduce Ramakant Watermas, Pradeep Karela, Anand Jha. Yes, Anand, you can introduce yourself.
Hi, sir. Good
Yes.
afternoon. Yeah, myself Anand Jha from Mumbai.
Okay.
So, yeah, Assistant Finance Manager in Ericsson Group.
Okay. Welcome, Mr. Anand, and this opportunity, right, today's presentation. Welcome. I hope you all are doing well. आप सब लोग अपने अपने घरों में हैं, स्वस्थ हैं, सुरक्षित हैं, right? Mr. Sahib Rao, right? I've seen Mr. Sahib Rao. Can you please introduce?
Yes, sir. Sahib Rao, Navi Mumbai, Panvel, resident Mahad Kukan.
Okay.
Insurance में हूँ sir, senior manager, life insurance में.
Okay, okay. Most welcome, Mr. Sahib Rao.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. So people from different part of country have joined today's session. It's really great. And I'm sure that in next 30, 45 minutes, I'm going to share you how you can start your own online business. आप अपना खुद का online business कैसे start कर सकते हैं, right? So without any further delay, let me share you the screen with you and let's get started. I'm sure आज आप जितने भी participants हैं, every one of you is doing something or the other thing to earn money, right? So I need your response, right? You just type in chat box, right? What do you do professionally? What do you do? So that I will know that what exactly you are doing. How many of you from job, right? How many of you are doing job? Anybody is in students or free fresher, freelancer, or just type in chat box में आप type कर सकते हैं मुझे, right? It is open for, yeah, it is open that you can chat. I need 45 minutes of your attention, undivided attention, so that whatever I am discussing with you, you can grasp it, right? And you can understand the project, the potential of this project, right? I'm Sandeep Patak from Jabalpur Medical College. Yes. चलेगा. So 1601, you can unmute yourself, right? You can mute yourself.
Yes. Let's understand money game.
You understand the money game? You being a CA final year, I hope you understand the money game. But there are certain things which are not taught in MBA classes or CA classes. It is going to be something little different, little twisty, right?
Sir.
Yeah, and I hope you love it will help you in a professional career as well. And after the session, we can discuss, right, how you can implement it, right? Just a minute. Let me mute all so that it will be easier for me to deliver the content. Okay, thank you. So let's understand the money game. What money game is all about. As I discussed with all of you, जैसा मैंने आपको बताया कि हम सब लोग कुछ ना कुछ काम कर रहे होते. We are doing job, professional, traditional business, just to earn the money, right? But the challenge is during our entire career, we do lots of studies, we do higher studies. In entire of your academic career, have you ever studied about this subject, right? How to create a wealth? 20-25 साल हम पढ़ाई करते हैं. उस पढ़ाई करने के पूरे career में there is not a single lecture on this subject, right? Because or for this money we are running behind for the rest of the life, isn't it? I have never seen any college academic degree and any institutes that is teaching us how to create wealth. Right? They are just giving you the academic degrees, academic knowledge. That's fine. But for rest of the life, what we are working for money, and the subject is not taught in our schools and colleges. That is what I'm going to discuss, and that is really going to help you out, right? So why do we study, right? To make money, right? And by once you start earning the money, then you can do whatever you want with that money. So ultimate objective of study is what? To start making money. And unfortunately, the subject is not taught in schools and colleges, right? And because of lack of financial education, 95% people in this world, they struggle, right? They run behind the money. People think that by having good studies, having good marks, right, having good academics, you can lead a good life. But it's not perfectly fine. There is no connection of degree and money, right? You have good academic certificate, you have knowledge, talent, everything, but it doesn't mean that you will make a huge income, because to earn money, to create a wealth, it requires a different mindset. It requires a different approach altogether. So let's understand, right? What do we do with money? Whatever income you are making, right? जो भी आप पैसा कमाते हैं, आप उससे करते क्या हैं? You do two things. One thing is that your needs, आपकी जो जरूरतें हैं, जो आपकी requirements हैं, that you fulfill with that money. The basic requirement of common man is roti, kapda, makan, and internet, mobile. Vijay ji, are you ready? You agree with me? Whatever we are making, whatever earning, at the end of the day, the primary thing what we do is we use this money for our basic needs. Correct? And apart from this needs, what else we do? We use this money to fulfill our dreams. So whatever income we are making, we are using this income in two different places, right? First is needs, whatever our daily needs, basic needs, right? Essential needs. That is roti, kapda, makan, but without which we cannot sustain, right? Or whether it's a Ambani or whether it's a normal ordinary person, everybody is having these basic needs, right? They're able to fulfill all those needs. But what about dreams? I'm sure you all must have dreams in your life. How many of you have bigger dreams in your life? How many, if you want to have a good lifestyle, good bank balance, have a peace of mind, time freedom, money freedom, how many of you wish to have all these things in your life? Just type in the comment box. Just type in the chat box. How many of you really want to have a fantastic lifestyle, right? And so how are you? I'm from hotel management student, Andhra Pradesh. Yes. Good to see you. Right. Sayyid Zafar. Yes. Type in me. आप में से कितने लोगों को एक अच्छा लाइफस्टाइल चाहिए, एक अच्छा बैंक बैलेंस चाहिए, पीस ऑफ माइंड चाहिए, राइट? टेंशन फ्री लाइफ चाहिए, हेल्दी लाइफ चाहिए. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू वांट? इफ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड देन जस्ट टाइप मी. चैट बॉक्स में टाइप कर सकते हैं मी, ME मी, राइट? Anand Jha. Yes. Good. See, I want to have a two-way interaction. It's not like that I'm a teacher and I'm delivering something and you're just listening silently, right? Be very attentive whatever I'm discussing with today. And I need your involvement as well, right? Vijay Dhiraj. Okay, wonderful. So this is what every human being thinks of, right? Everybody wants a good lifestyle, peace of mind, luxury life. But how many of you are able to achieve the dream life? How many of you are living the dream life today? Everybody or very few people? Only 5% of the world population is able to live their dream life. 95% is still they struggle. So let us understand what is the reason behind it and why it is happening. See, this is our dream and this is what our current situation is. So there is a gap between our dream and current situation. So we'll understand this money concept. हम ये मनी कॉन्सेप्ट के बारे में एक्सपर्ट से जानने वाले हैं, राइट? So the difference between our dream and the current reality is because of money. Now next question is that what is that reason that you want to make a huge income? आप बहुत बड़ी इनकम कमाना चाहते हैं, आप बहुत सारी वेल्थ क्रिएट करना चाहते हैं, but in spite of putting a lot of efforts, we end up making 50,000, 1 lakh rupees at the end of the day, not more than that. An average person. हम कमाना तो बहुत चाहते हैं, बहुत मेहनत करते हैं, बहुत सारे जॉब चेंज करते हैं, बहुत सारे ट्रेडिशनल बिजनेस ट्राई कर रहे होते हैं, सब कुछ करते हैं. In spite of putting all the efforts, we are not able to break that barrier. 50,000, 1 lakh barrier टूटते नहीं है. There is a capping limit. So my question is, why it is so? ऐसा क्यों होता है? Let me tell you the reason behind it. It is the way how you work, right? आप किस तरीके से काम करते हैं, आप किस किस प्रोसेस को फॉलो करते हुए आप अपना काम कर रहे हैं, आप किस सिस्टम को फॉलो करते हुए काम कर रहा है, वो आपको डिसाइड करेगा कि आप कितनी वेल्थ क्रिएट करने वाले हैं, हाउ मच इनकम यू आर गोइंग टू जनरेट इन फ्यूचर, राइट? सो द वे यू वर्क decides how much money you are going to make, right? So let's understand this philosophy. Let's understand the money game from the people who, those who are millionaires and billionaires, right? Those who are already successful, right? And people, those who are really authority in this field. I'm talking about Mr. Robert T. Kiyosaki. I'm sure many of the people are aware of this person, Robert Kiyosaki, but few of you might not be knowing about him, right? How many of you know about Robert Kiyosaki? Just type in the comments box yes. And if you don't know that, you can just type no. This is the first time you're listening about Robert T. Kiyosaki. Yes, great. Anybody else, right? You're listening first time. Say yes for first time. No, Balaji, yes. Wonderful. I need a reply. Ananja, yes. Wonderful. Vinny, you know, very good, wonderful. So Robert Kiyosaki is the person. He is a financial advisor for Donald Trump, right? He is a multi-millionaire, right? He is a very talented person, right? And he has written so many books, and the legendary book called Rich Dad Poor Dad. He is the author of that, and he is the only person in the world where he is educating people how to create wealth, right? He is the subject matter of expert of that subject, right? How to create wealth, right? So we'll be understanding through Robert Kiyosaki book called Rich Dad Poor Dad what this money game is all about, right? And most of the people, those who are in private job, right? Even I was in the private job. My routine was that I used to wake up in the morning, right? And immediately I go to job, right? 9 to 5 job, then go to dinner, then go to bed. This is what a normal routine happens. Any job, people, those who are in job, right? Typical rat race. Robert Kiyosaki called this is a typical rat race. We are so busy that we don't have time to think about ourselves, to think about our dreams, right? And most of the people एंड बहुत सारे लोगों को पता ही नहीं चलता जिंदगी कब निकल गई, उनके कब बच्चे बड़े हो गए, खुद के लिए टाइम नहीं दिया पाया, बच्चों के लिए टाइम नहीं दिया, राइट? इट हैपेंस. So Robert says there are 4 ways to make money, right? There are 4 ways to make money, and listen it very carefully. It's very important concept. If you're able to understand this concept, then the second part of the presentation will be very easier to you understand. There are 4 ways to make money. The easiest way to make money is to become an employee. सबसे आसान तरीका पैसा कमाने क्या है? To become an employee. कहीं पे भी आप जॉब करने लगे, you can make the money, right? It can be private job, government job. And the challenge with the middle class is that right from the birth we are being programmed. बचपन से हमारे दिमाग में डाला जाता है कि बेटा आपको you need to get a good degree, good academics, right? And once you complete your college or university, then you should get a good job. If you get government job, then it's perfect, fine. And if not government, then get a good private job. That's it. After a job, you got married, then kids, bache, then that's how your life goes on. So the first and simplest way to make money is to become an employee, where you have a job, right? You are working, you are selling your time. You're selling your time. आप अपना समय बेचते हैं और आपको पैसा मिलता है. Now the second category is self-employed. People, those who are professionals, doctor, engineer, right? They are self-employed, right? Chartered accountant, they are self-employed. They are not working for others. They are working for their own, right? They own the job, right? Again, they are one-man show, right? They believe in active income. They are trading their time, right? They don't have the facility of leverage. So this is what self-employed is called. Third way to make money is to become a business owner, right? And fourth way to make money is to become an investor. These are the 4 various ways by which you can make money. 4 ही तरीके हैं दुनिया में पैसा कमाने के, ईमानदारी से, honesty के साथ में. Now let's understand the interesting facts. Out of these 4 quadrants, if we divide these 4 quadrants in left side and right side, the people in the left side, people in the left quadrant called employee, self-employed, they are 95% in this world. 95% people in this world make money by either they are employed or self-employed. Only 5% people belongs to business or investor class, right? Now the interesting fact is that these 5% people, the business class and investor having 95% of the world wealth. The 95% people, those who are very talented, very educated, highly intellectual people, having only 5% of the world wealth. My question from you is that why it is so? ऐसा क्या रीजन है, ऐसा क्या कारण है कि ये जो 5% लोग हैं इनके पास दुनिया की 95% वेल्थ है, और जो 95% लोग, they are highly talented, educated, right? They've got a huge academic degrees, but in spite of all these things, they are having 5% of world wealth. What is the reason behind it? क्या differences है? Do you think that business owner are smart enough? They have much time, they have higher talent? It's not like that. Bhagwan ne, the God has created, God has given the equal talent, equal time, and everything to each and every individuals. There is no partiality. Everybody has got 24 hours, right? So what is that particular thing because of which these people are making huge wealth? They are creating millionaires and billionaires generation after generation. And what is the challenge? What is the problem with middle class 95% people? Because putting a lot of efforts, having higher degree education, everything, we are living an average middle class life, generation after generation. Anybody have the answer? Anybody would like to share? Just raise your hand. Just type in the comment box. Why it is so? Let me clear you. The difference between these two classes, with left side and right side, is the difference of their thought process, how they think. Because of the difference in thought process, the way they work is totally different. Is that clear to you? Both the category have got different mindset, and because of their different mindset, the way they work is totally different. दोनों की mindsetting अलग है, इसीलिए उनका काम करने का तरीका भी अलग है. Now let's understand what 95% people are doing. 95% people believe in active income, right? They feel that whatever I am doing, I am the best, right? No other can do my work. Because of this, this thought process, they end up being a so busy person that they don't have time for their own self, right? They don't have time for their family. They don't have time for any of their other activities. They're so busy. This is the biggest challenge with employee, self-employed people, right? And busy for what? Making money. So the 95% of the world population, how they work on a principle, right? Let's understand. It's a very, very powerful concept. Let's understand. Here, what happens is one person, right? It can be a private job or you are a self-employed, right? You are professional. If you are working for 1 hour, you are making 100 rupees. अगर आप 1 घंटे काम कर रहे हैं, you are making 100 rupees, because we sell our time, and there is a limit of time. Everybody has got 24 hours. Out of 24 hours, how much we can work? We can work just 10 to 12 hours, not more than that. So what happens if something wrong happens with the person? If a person is a breadwinner of the family, he is the only earning member. If he or she is not able to perform because of COVID, you just see how many people have lost their job, how many people have lost their loved ones. It's really very tough time. If a family having 4-5 people and there is only one earning member, just imagine what happens. If something wrong happens with that earning member, he is not capable to work. Will he make money? How much income he is going to get? It's a zero. So what happens is, this is what it is called as limited manpower, because you are the person that you have to perform. Either you're in a job or a self-employed person. You have to be physically present. Then only you can make money. Your physical involvement and your ability is required. If your ability is 100%, then you can earn money. But if something happens with you, if your ability goes down, then your income is drastically affected. I'm just taking one example. मैं एक example की आपके साथ बात कर रहा हूँ. Just imagine there is a surgeon, right? There is a leading surgeon. He's making 5 lakh rupees a month. Leading surgeon making 5 lakh rupees a month, and he met with an accident. Accident हो जाता है and he lost his finger, right? The thumb and finger is damaged. Now that surgeon is not able to perform the surgery. Now tell me how much money he's going to make. A surgeon, the person that he was making 5 lakh rupees a month through surgeries, now if his right hand is damaged, now he's not able to perform the surgery, what would be the income? It's a zero. Just imagine, people are under wrong impression. I am so and so doctor, I am so and so manager, I am so and so branch manager, senior manager, I am the CEO of any company. Even if you become a CEO of any company, my dear friends, you are still employee. You are not the owner. You just understand the concept. So the formula, what it is, there is a limited manpower, limited time is equals to limited income. If you're following this principle and think that I can make millions of rupees, I'm sorry, you cannot make millions. You cannot create wealth by adopting these principles. There is a limitation of time and manpower. If you want to create the wealth, you need to follow people, those who are already creating a huge wealth, right? So let's learn from the people, those who are creating a huge wealth. They are multimillionaires, right? What they do. See, the common man, 95% people believe in work, right? Whatever they are doing, you are alone. Either you're in a job, private job, whatever you are doing, you are there to perform your task. Then only you make money. You are working alone. You are working on active income, right? But what rich people do, normal people do work. Millionaires and billionaires create network. Rich people create a team. They create a system. They create a network, and that system, the team work for them, right? People work for them. They create a network. So, say for example, in first example, I said that you are the one person working for 1 hour, you are making 100 rupees. एक person है 1 घंटे काम कर रहा है 100 रुपए कमा रहा है. Now just imagine you build a team of 100 people. आपने 100 लोगों का एक टीम बनाया. You create a team of 100 people. Out of these 100 people, everybody is working for 1 hour. So 100 people working for 1 hour, the working hours will be 100 hours, right? And your productivity will be 10,000 rupees. Just imagine. The moment you multiply your time, your income is multiplied automatically. So the concept is called time is equals to money. Is that clear to everyone? If the people who are attending first time, is it clear to you? आपको clear हो रहा है? अभी तक हमें यही लगता था कि if I do higher studies, मैं डिग्रियां बढ़ाऊंगा, BE करूंगा, MBA करूंगा, PhD करूंगा, the higher the studies, मैं जितना ज़्यादा पढ़ लिख जाऊंगा, उतनी ज़्यादा मेरी income आएगी, right? Sorry, it's not like that. ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं. There is no connection of degrees and income, right? Income is directly, your money is directly proportional to money. Time is equals to money. Now, henceforth, now onwards, whenever you feel like to multiply your income, you want to grow your income, think about multiply your time. The moment you start multiplying your time, money will follow you, right? So the formula here it is unlimited manpower into unlimited time is equals to unlimited income. What the formula is? Unlimited manpower into unlimited time is equals to unlimited income. So 5% people in the world, rich people in the world, they follow this principle. Now let's understand what Robert says. Robert says that rich people in the world look for and build the network and everyone else look for the work. एक आम लोग होते हैं 95% जो लोग कॉमन मैन है, आम जनता है, वो सिर्फ वर्क करती हैं, और करोड़पति अरबपति लोग क्या बनाते हैं? They create a network. So this is the difference. I hope you understand the philosophy. There are only two ways to make money in this world. No third way. There are only two ways. Now you just ask the question from yourself. Single question ask from yourself. So far, which principle you have applied to make money? If you are following the first principle, right? And if you feel that I want to create 10 lakh, 15 lakh, 20 lakh rupees a month or in a year, or you want to multiply your income, now it's not going to work. You have to change your concept. You have to change your thought process. You have to adopt the people, this wealth creation formula. Then only you can create a success. You can create freedom in your life. You can create a multiple source of income by following the second principle. Now let's understand this principle is working or not. I have taken two examples, right? I've taken two examples. The first one is the Reliance Fresh, and the second one is normal ordinary sabji wala, vegetable vendor. Both are selling the vegetables, right? Now both the people are having the same cost, right? Tomato, they are selling the tomato at 40 rupees kg, right? Reliance is also selling tomato at 40 rupees kg, and a local vegetable vendor is also selling tomato at 40 rupees kg. दोनों का भाव बराबर है, right? Now the difference is what? What is the difference between the two people? Both are doing the same job, both are doing the same work, but the income they are generating is totally different. The local sabji vendor is working alone. He's working on the principle limited manpower, limited time equals to limited income. For last 20 years, he is working alone. Now his son is also helping his father. Now just imagine, because of this pandemic, he's not able to sell the vegetables. He's not able to perform for last 1 month. Do you think he'll be able to make money? what kind of financial crisis he will be facing. This is the reason why most of the people suffer in their life, because maximum people depend on a single source of income. That single source can be your job, can be your shop, or whatever you are doing. If you're dependent on single source of income, if you're working alone, then you are in a big problem. You are in a big trouble. For God's sake, if something wrong happens with any, either with the current profession or with us, then our family suffers, right? Now, what Reliance did, Reliance applied the wealth creation formula. Reliance opened more than 1,000 outlets across country, and every outlet is opening for 10 hours. Just imagine, for Reliance, there is a 10,000 hours per day working hours. And as we already discussed, time is equals to money. The higher the time, working hours, the higher the income you are going to generate. जितना ज्यादा काम करने घंटे आप होंगे आपके पास, उतना ज्यादा आप इनकम जनरेट कर रहे होंगे. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? Hence, it is proved that wealth creation formula works. And one more important thing is that it doesn't matter what you work, right? It doesn't matter what you work. The matter is how you work, right? इससे फर्क नहीं पड़ता आप क्या करते हैं, फर्क इस बात से पड़ता है आप उस काम को किस तरीके से करते हैं. दोनों लोग सब्जी बेच रहे हैं, दोनों जगह सब्जी का भाव बराबर, both are doing the same job, but the principle is different. Reliance is following the wealth creation formula, and that Ramu Kaka is following the Garibi wala formula. That's why he's suffering. That's why he's not making big money. Now let's understand with some other next examples. There are so many examples around you. Just understand with the example of Bata, right? Bata was having one showroom in Kolkata, right? And Bata thought that I need to multiply my income. So Bata has got an idea. Let's give the franchisee. And by giving franchisee to as many as possible people, you'll have a huge franchisee network. And from each franchisee, he's getting 4 to 5% royalty. So Bata is also following this wealth creation formula. It means the formula is perfect. The formula works. It's a principle. And if Reliance, Tata, Birla, Ambani, by following this wealth creation formula can make a huge wealth, then why not me and you? Point is that. जब Tata, Birla, Reliance, जितने दुनिया के जितने भी multi-millionaires हैं, if they are following this principle and they are making a huge wealth, and they're very successful, and if you follow these footsteps, if you follow these principles, you can also create a huge wealth. Getting my point? Is that clear to everyone, Mr. Vijay? So what we are supposed to do, remember, in any area of your life, say for example, you want to become a good cricketer, right? So to whom you are going to follow? Your local cricket guy or Sachin Tendulkar? You want to become an actor. Who will be your idol? To whom you'll follow the footprints? Definitely the person who is super duper successful in that particular area. Now, when it comes to the income, when it comes to the career, when it comes to the wealth creation, we ask from our near dears, relatives, right? We seek their advice. We take their opinions. Shall I do this business or not? Shall I go ahead or not? And most of the time, what happens? Your near dears, your relatives, you pull down, right? And the tragedy is that the person to whom you are asking whether to do new business or not, he himself has not earned 50,000 rupees, lakh rupees a month, and he is guiding you not to do this business. He is not having any kind of idea, right? And you follow that guidance and you follow that fellow. And this is the biggest blunders people do. We follow people, those who are not successful around us, right? If you really want to be successful in your life, follow the people, those who are already successful. Is that clear to everyone? Right? Now moving forward, let's understand two or three more examples. Dr. Batra is a homeopathy doctor, right? And there is one local homeopathy doctor. What is the difference between two doctors? Both are doing the same job, right? Homeopathy doctor is also giving that small tablets, 50, he's charging 50 rupees, 100 rupees. And Dr. Batra is doing same homeopathy practice. But the difference between two is the local homeopathy doctor has to open his clinic on every day, even in Corona, because if he shut down his doors, if he's not able to open his clinic, how he can make money? Income is zero. Dr. Batra has overcome this problem. He has multiplied. He has opened thousands of outlets across country, even international market, London, Dubai, and India. He's not bothered. So I hope you are able to understand. If you want to become successful, if you want to create a wealth, then you need to follow the principles, follow the footstep of those people, those who are already successful and those who are already making huge wealth. There's a barber, right? The very simple example of barber. There is a local barber shop near to you, and there is Javed Habib. Both are having the same profession, right? But Javed Habib has got a brand. He has opened thousands of outlets across country, and he's enjoying the freedom, right? But our local barber, in spite of COVID situations, he has to open his shop, because if he's not opening his shop, how he will make money? And if he's not earning, then he's in a financial crisis. So this is what is, these all are people, right? Tata's, Birla's, Ambani, Microsoft, these all are people are following this principle, wealth creation formula. Unlimited manpower, unlimited time is equals to unlimited wealth. Now the question is that, as a common man, right, how a common man can apply this principle into his or her life and create wealth? This is the question. Now, so far we discussed the theoretical part. There are two ways to make money, right? 95% people are following a normal formula by which you cannot make a big income. And the second formula, where is unlimited manpower into unlimited time is equals to unlimited income. It's a wealth creation formula, franchisee concept, right? Now the question is how you can apply this principle in your day-to-day life. How many of you are ready to know the application part of this formula, right? This is going to be very exciting. How many of you are ready? Just show me your reaction. Santosh Kumar, I need your reaction. Yes, I am. Vijay. Yes, Realme 3, Balaji. Balaji, I think you are listening to me, right? I am ready. Sandeep, yes. Saideep, Ravinder, Anand Jha, yes. Latha, Sahib Rao ji, are you ready? Are you there, Sahib Rao sir? If you're there, I need your this response in chat box. Because the moment you respond, I'll go to the next page. अभी सब लोगों को क्लियर हो रहा है? Vinny, is that clear to everyone, right? Are you able to understand whatever I am communicating? You can type in the comment box. Yes, Naveen, yes. Okay, wonderful. So we are moving forward for the application part. How you can apply this principle into your life and you just start making money. And it's going to be very interesting. So be with us. I'm going to talk to you about the e-commerce business model, right? How you can apply this principle in e-commerce industry, right? So we'll be launching our e-commerce business, and e-commerce is the fastest growing industry, my dear friends. E-commerce is the fastest growing industry. Now we'll understand how you can launch, how you can apply this wealth creation formula in e-commerce industry. Before we proceed further, I'll show you further the basic principles of e-commerce. What is e-commerce is all about. Yes. So what e-commerce is all about? There are two ways of business, right? There is a traditional way of doing business, and the second way is doing e-commerce, right? Online business. Difference between e-commerce and traditional business and online business is that in traditional business, there is a supply chain, right? Whatever product you are buying from the market, जब market से जो भी product लेते हैं, say for example, you're buying product from market say 100 rupees, you're buying this product for retailer, and retailer get this product from a distributor get this product from wholesaler, and wholesaler get this product from manufacturing unit, that is factory, right? Say for example, you're buying product at 100 rupees and the cost of this product at the factory level is around 40 rupees. So you're buying product at 100 rupees and the actual cost of the product is at factory level is 40 rupees. 60% amount is being distributed in the middleman, and the biggest cost is the branding and advertisement cost. So in order to reduce this cost, a new industry evolved. This industry is called direct to consumer, direct to end consumer. Direct sale industry is evolved. So, and another name is called e-commerce industry. So what happens in e-commerce industry? There is a manufacturer, there is a company that produces the goods, and there is an end user. And there is an internet, there is a website which connects the company and customer, just like Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal. So e-commerce is all about direct company and consumer, no middleman. So what happens? The 60, 40, 50, 60% of amount which was being distributed in the middleman, this this entire discount is being given to the, some of the amount is given to the consumers. That is why most of the people prefer to do online shopping. We go to the market, we check the products, right? We check the home appliances, mobile, everything. And we, after that, checking everything on the showroom, and we check in our mobile app. Say, for example, if you went to the market and you show one mobile, the cost of that mobile phone is offered by 10,000 rupees by the shopkeeper, and you saw the same mobile phone is available on Amazon is 9,000 rupees, 9,000 500 rupees, you are getting more discount, 10 or 1,000 rupee discount. Now, from where you will buy the product? Definitely, everybody is smart enough. You'll go to online. Now, just imagine why Amazon is able to give you 1,000 rupees discount, because of the middleman is being removed. The amount, the profit which was earlier distributed, that is being given to you as a discount. That is why maximum people are moving from traditional shopping to online shopping. So this is the fastest growing industry, I'm telling you. There is a survey in India and which says by 2024, the Indian e-commerce industry is going to be $99 billion industry, $100 billion industry, my God. Just imagine the figure. Because India has got a fastest growing economy, we have got a highest number of youth population. It's a developing country. So all big companies from around the world are focusing Indian market. And I'm telling you, we are sitting in India, we have got a huge potential. The only thing is that you need to explore the opportunity, the right concept, the right platform. And you start working in this e-commerce project for next 2-3 years. I'm telling you, whatever dreams you have, whatever kind of income you want to achieve, you can make that income or dreams in your life. You can achieve all those things. So e-commerce is the trend, right? There are various certain statistics, right? I'm not going into detail. Now let's understand the key players. Flipkart, Amazon, Snapdeal, these all are the big shots, key players in e-commerce industry. Now there are two things. In any business, there are certain ways to promote the product, to market the product, right? There is a medium called TV promotion, TV ads. There are thousands of companies, those who are promoting their product through TV ads, through print media, right? Through digital marketing. But there is one more very effective way of marketing than this effective way, powerful way. I'll discuss you later. Now, in order to start your own e-commerce business, say for example, you are inspired enough, you are excited enough, boss, I am going to launch my own e-commerce business. So what are the steps you are supposed to do? First of all, you need to set up your website, right? You need to identify in which category you are going to deal. You need to set up your bank account. You need to set up your logistic warehouse. And there are so many things are required to set up all these things, right? To start your own online e-commerce business. And what do you think? It is very easy task to start? I don't think so. It's very complicated, very tough. And the player to whom you are going to fight is the biggest player of the world, right? Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal, right? So this is not going to be very easy to start your own online website and to send some product. Right? There are a lot of headaches are there. बहुत सारा complications रहता है. Now, what if just imagine if you find some solution, and this is very interesting, I'm telling you. What if we get a ready-made e-commerce business model where you are not supposed to create any website, any product or nothing, right? Everything is already prepared. Product is ready, website is ready, mobile app is ready. Logistic, you are not least bothered. Payment collection, you are not supposed to worried about it. Customer support, delivery system, all the operational part, right? Right from the manufacturing of the product to the delivery to the end consumer. Product बनाने से लेके end consumer के घर पर deliver करने का जो पूरा process है, right? It is taken care by third party. It is none of your business, none of your headache. So how relaxed you will be. It's just like a plug and play device. You have a ready-made system. There is a system, proven system, 16-year-old proven tested system. Thousands and crores of people are making huge income, huge wealth through this system. And now this opportunity is I'm going to present in front of you. If you are open-minded and if you're serious enough about your career, if you're really serious about to fulfill your dreams, then definitely this opportunity can change your life, right? So do you want to know how you can apply the ready-made e-commerce formula, how you can adopt this ready-made e-commerce business model into your life, and what you need to run this business? only the smartphone and internet. If you have a smartphone and if you're using internet in your smartphone, that's it. This is what the required is. No big investment, no showroom, no staff, nothing. So let's understand. But before we get, let's understand the power of referral marketing. As I already told you, in order to promote any product, किसी भी product को promote करने के लिए हमें कुछ ना कुछ marketing activities चाहिए रहती हैं. Referral marketing is one of the most efficient and effective way to market your product. Why it is so? Because it is based on the trust. If I ask, if any of your friend suggest you something, or if you are searching for some food in your locality, right? If you are searching for some clothes in your market, say for example, if you are in Jabalpur or any Chennai, and if you ask of your friend which is a good shop, definitely you will refer some of the showrooms. See, you can go there and you can buy the product, right? If some of your friend ask you which is the best scooty, I want to have a scooty for my family or for my sister or for my wife, then definitely people better go for Honda Activa, isn't it? We do a lot of recommendations throughout the day, but do we get any monetary benefit out of it? हम बहुत सारी सलाह देते हैं लोगों को, recommend करते हैं, refer करते हैं, but क्या कभी हमें उसका benefit मिलता है? No. But referral marketing एक ऐसा माध्यम है, it's one of the powerful medium by which most of the biggest company, major player are building their business. Because the best part in referral marketing is that you're not supposed to invest a hefty amount of marketing, right? You don't require any celebrities to promote your brand. It is one-to-one. It is person-to-person. It is word of mouth, right? So it is a very cost-effective medium to promote your business. It's a proven business. It's a proven way of marketing products, right? Why referral marketing is so prominent and so efficient? It is based on trust and loyalty, and the reach of referral marketing is very high. And the best part is that it saves your money on advertisement, right? Because any product, whatever product is available in the market, there is 20, even 30% budget on the marketing part. So there is a huge amount is invested for the marketing. That amount is being saved, and this amount can be distributed among us. That marketing budget, right? Let me show you some examples of very classic example of referral marketing. We all are aware about the Ola and Uber, right? Across country, these cabs are available. Now let me ask you one question. The owner of Ola company, how many cabs he is having? How many taxi he is having? He is not having his own taxi. He designed this mobile app. He's designed one technology. He's connected all the taxis, right? You just need to put the button and taxi arrives near to you, right? Earlier, what we used to do, first you need to invest crores of rupees. If you want to do the business, you need to invest crores of rupees. Then only you're going to start the business. The days has gone. This is the era of technology. This is the era of IT, right? Where you don't need to invest crores of rupees. You just need a solid idea. That idea can generate crores of rupees. And how Ola is promoting? The moment you download the Ola app or any e-commerce app, it says just refer 10 of your friends, we will give you one ride free. And as you know, India is a very young country. Most of the people sitting idle, like what they do, they just share this mobile app link to their friends, because they know that just for the sake of one free ride, they do promotion. Now let's understand the beauty of the system. See, Ola can afford to call Amitabh Bachchan or any big celebrity to promote their product, but they are smart enough. They're very smart. They know when people are free, they are freely available, and just giving 10, 20, 50 rupees a nominal cash back, they are promoting our product. So why should we waste that huge amount of income, huge amount of money for the promotion? So unknowingly, we are promoting these companies. Now just imagine, say for example, I downloaded Ola app and I have recommended 10 of my friends. What Ola is going to do? Ola will give me one ride free. After that, my job is done. Now just imagine the people which I recommended to Ola, they are just average age is 30 years, 35-year-old age, right? Now just imagine for next 30, 40 years, whenever my friends will use their Ola services, will I get any referral benefit next time or lifetime? No. Ola has given me just one time referral benefit. Means Ola has used my social contacts. मुझे पता भी नहीं चला. You unknowingly you are promoting. So there are various examples. Paytm is doing the same referral marketing, right? Oyo is doing the same platform, referral marketing. So referral marketing is a proven system of promoting the business. And these are the biggest company in the world. These are using referral marketing as a very effective and efficient model to promote their businesses, because they know the cost of promotion is very less. Cost per lead is very less. So now let's understand there is a combination of referral marketing and e-commerce industry. Now there is one advanced level of referral marketing. The traditional referral marketing is called what Ola, Oyo, Uber is doing, where the company generating revenue or you are not getting any monetary benefit. You get just one-time referral benefit, and you don't have power to create a consumer network. Now just imagine, I have referred 10 of my friends to the Ola, right? And if these 10 friends recommend 10 friends to Ola, now there is a group of 100 people. Let's assume whenever these 100 friends, 100 people use the Ola, and I get 10% commission out of it. How about it? Will it be interesting? But unfortunately, in traditional system, it is not happening. This system doesn't exist. But what we are discussing today is we are discussing multi-level referral marketing. And this is a revolution, I am telling you. What happens in multi-level referral marketing is, say for example, you are using any product or services and you like the product. I have shared this product or services detail with Vijayji. And Vijayji used this product, and Vijayji recommended this product service to 10 of their friends, and these friends recommended to someone else. So this is called multi-level referral marketing. Everybody is giving monetary benefit. Sounds good? In traditional referral marketing, single level referral marketing, only the company, the owner of that company is making money. We are just wasting our time, energy, and effort. We are not getting revenue benefit. We get just one-time referral benefit. But in multi-level referral marketing, everybody has got the opportunity to generate huge incentives. Now let's understand how it is going to work. So we are talking about the combination of e-commerce and referral marketing, right? The business model which we are discussing is, the business model is e-commerce, right? And how you are going to promote this model is through referral marketing system, through personal contacts that we already doing, right? It's not something that we are doing first time referral, right? We are already doing referral marketing, but unknowingly, right? And the system was not there. Tracking system was not there. Now here what we are going to do is there will be a system so that you can track the person, that the person to whom you referred, whatever amount he did the shopping, you'll get the details on your mobile app. So everything is transparent. Let's understand how it works. I hope you are able to see the picture in front of your screen, and it shows your daily routine. Now tell me how many of you did all these activity on a daily basis. I hope you all are doing. Show me a thumbs up. Everybody is doing on a daily basis. We took bath, we use cosmetic, we use FMCG products, we use supplements, right? Every day we clean our teeth, right? We do brush. So this is what our daily activity is. Now tell me, why doing all these activity, you are doing expense or you are creating income? Whenever you do all these activity, जब भी आप ये डेली बेसिस काम करते हैं, आपकी पॉकेट में पैसा आता है या आपकी पॉकेट से पैसा जाता है? It's incoming or outgoing? Outgoing, isn't it? It's your expense. Now, if I say that by doing all these activities, so far you are doing these activity and you are doing expense, आपका खर्चा हो रहा था, आपका पैसा खर्च हो रहा था. लेकिन अगर मैं आपको एक ऐसा तरीका बताऊं, if I show you a way by which you can start making money by doing the same activities, here is the magic. The secret is here. But you are not supposed to create anything new. The opportunity lies in your house. The opportunity is already there. You just need to figure it out. You just need to understand the potential of the things which you are already having, right? So let's understand from where you buy this daily need product. We all are consumers. We all are consumer, or as a user, we buy this product from many retailers, right? And from retailer, wholesaler, depot and factory. As we already discussed, this is traditional supply chain. As I already told you that whatever product we are buying as a consumer, say for example, you're buying a product at 100 rupees, the cost of this product is around 40 rupees at the manufacturing cost level. 60% is being distributed in the middleman. Now, if I ask one question from you, right? So far, you're not able to get 60%. This is your hard-earned money, right? This is the money which are being distributed in the middleman. Now, if I give you one option or idea by which you can have the 60% back in your bank account, how many of you will be interested to get this money back, 60% money back? How many people are ready to get this back? I hope everybody, because it's a common sense. So far, there was no option. Right now, there is an option by which you can have this money back in your bank account, right? Now, let's understand how you can get this 60% back to you. For this, you need to change your two habits. What you are supposed to do is, you need to change your two habits. The first habit, you need to change your shop, right? The shop from where you was earlier purchasing, you need to change your shop. You need to buy all the daily needs product, whatever you need, right from the company, directly from the factory, manufacturer. There is a company and consumer, no middleman. The first habit you need to change is your shop. The second habit you need to change your brand. Whatever brand you were using earlier, now you can start using a world-class quality product, affordable price with money back guarantee. And this opportunity is provided by a company name is Vestige Marketing Private Limited. Vestige is an Indian direct selling company operating in India for last 16 plus years. Is the fastest growing direct selling company, and it's a legitimate direct selling model, right? There is there are more than 3 crores distributors today in India, those who are associated with Vestige, and they are living a phenomenal life, I'm telling you. So we'll understand this model later on. And now, in order to get the product directly from the company, what you are supposed to do? Now hold for a moment, understand the slide very carefully, because this is the benefit which you are getting from the Vestige, which no other brand, no other company is going to give you. Either it's a Reliance or either it's a Big Bazaar or DMart. No other brand, no other company is going to give you which Vestige is going. Listen it very carefully. Now, in order to get the product directly from the company, first of all, you need to get the registration done. Now, whenever you do the online shopping, what we do first we create our account, user ID and password. The same way, you need to create your user ID and password. The person who has invited you in this meeting, he will help you out to get the registration done. And it's a free of cost, I'm telling you, it's a free of cost. Just provide any of your document, KYC document, you'll get registered. After registration, you'll become a smart consumer because you are aware, right? Now understand the benefit, whatever benefit you are going to get, whatever company is going to give you 10 to 20% retail discount. Company आपको 10 से 20% का retail discount देगी. MRP और DP का जो difference होगा, you'll get 20% discount. Say for example, there is an MRP of 120 rupees of any product. You will get this product in 100 rupees. Is that clear to everyone? Right? Now, after this 20% discount, we do shopping of these daily need product on a monthly basis, on a regular basis, isn't it? We do shopping on a regular basis. So whenever you buy the product, you will get 10% free product lifetime, unlimited. Just check yourself from where you are buying the product, your regular monthly products. Are you getting this 10% discounted, 10% free product on a regular basis? No. No other brand, no company is giving you free products. Discount 5-10% chalta hai, but 20% is a big discount. So Vestige is going to give you 15 to 20% flat discount on MRP. Second benefit, the best benefit you'll get 10% free product lifetime. And third, and very unique benefit you're going to get is consistency benefit. Means, say for example, we are dealing with the daily needs products, right? And these are the products which you require on a monthly basis. So if you become a loyal consumer, if you do regular shopping, company is going to give you some other very interesting benefit. This benefit is called consistency benefit. Say for example, if you are doing shopping of 3,000 rupees, you are doing shopping of 3,000 rupees for 4 months on a regular basis, company will give you 3,000 rupees absolutely free in the 5th month, right? Next, after that, if you do again 4 month regular shopping, then 5th month you will get 3,000 rupees free. I've never come across any company, any brand which is going to give you this much of offer. Now, from where Vestige is going to give you all these offer? Just recap. What the business we are dealing is, it's a direct sales, direct company and consumer, no middleman. So the discount offer, whatever you are getting, it is that 60%, the amount which was being wasted earlier, this amount, this benefit is given back to the end user. This is the whole intention of Vestige or direct selling industry. Apart from this consistency, you will get 5% to 11% cash back. Do you get any cash back? I did a lot of shopping from Reliance, Big Bazaar, DMart. I've never earned cashback amount in my bank account, right? But from day one, the moment you sign up with Vestige, and whatever shopping you do, you'll get 5% by default on a day one. And as you do the purchasing, your point will accumulate and you will achieve higher amount of cashback, 5, 8, 10, or 11%. And after all these benefit, if a person says that I'm not happy, I'm not satisfied, so don't worry, don't be panic. You have 100% money back guarantee. Within 30 days, you can refund the product, you'll get money back as per money back guarantee policy. So if I sum up, let's say example of family having 4 to 5 members in a family, they must be having a shopping of around 1 lakh rupees per annum, right? They must be having shopping of 1 lakh rupees per annum. And if you do this shopping from a traditional market shop, kirana shop, you're not getting any benefit out of it, right? What I am suggesting you or recommending you, you have the same amount. You are not supposed to invest a new amount. The same amount, you need to change the shop. Whatever amount you do the shopping on a monthly basis, you just need to invest or do the shopping of the same amount from different shop. That the shop is called Vestige shop. And just understand the potential. At the end of the year, you'll end up saving more than 30,000 rupees. If you club all these benefits, 20% retail discount, 10% free product, 20% consistency, if you put together all these benefits, it's around 40 to 50%. If you take it as a conservative figure, you will be saving more than 30,000 rupees in a year on 1 lakh rupees expenses. And this is the expense which you have to do. If there is a lockdown, you're not going to job, you're not working anywhere, you're not moving anywhere, you're sitting in the home. But this is the expense which you are supposed to do throughout your life. So understand the potential and power. You're not supposed to start any new thing or new task. Whatever you are doing, just keep on doing. The only 2 changes are required. Change your shop, change your brand, and you can change your life. And in order to understand this concept, do you think you need some kind of PhD or MBA to understand this philosophy or to understand this concept? It's very simple. It's very simple and straightforward. Getting my point? It's very simple and straightforward. But I know most of the people are not able to understand. Because someone says that common sense is not common. People say, how is it possible? I did masters in so-and-so stream. I am a manager in so-and-so company. How is it possible that I am able to say? But it is possible. I'll show you how you can make money, right? How you can earn huge wealth, how you can make income out of it. How many of you are ready? This is the last slide which I'm going to share with you, where I'll be discussing the income potential, how to make money by applying this principle, by using this e-commerce model. See, if you're able to see the screen, there is an example of Facebook and WhatsApp, Instagram. There are so many social media platforms are there. What Facebook is doing, Facebook is a social networking site. WhatsApp is social media, social network is there. What we do on social media? We do 3 activities: like, share, and comments. Do we get any income out of it? There has been a survey in India, because most of the people, an average individual in India, spend at least 3 hours per day on social media. Just scrolling various news feed and everything. 3 hours we are spending on social media. You're spending your time, effort, energy, but you're not getting any revenue out of it. And just imagine the amount you're investing on social media that is being wasted, right? You're not creating wealth out of it. And if you do invest the same amount on this e-commerce platform in learning, right? And if you start making 10, 20, 50,000 lakh rupees a month, then what's wrong in it? See, successful person is having 24 hours and failure person is also having 24 hours. The difference between successful person and failure person is the way you utilize your time. Successful people invest their time in the right things, right? Whereas unsuccessful people waste their time. They're watching Netflix, they're watching YouTube, they're moving around, they're watching news channels. Let me ask you, by watching Netflix, by watching YouTube channels and doing gossips, will it going to help you financially? Will it going to change your life? What do you think? See, you have to change. If you want to create better life, you have to change yourself. You need to understand where you are you are wasting your time. The amount which you are wasting, the time you are wasting, or that the non-productive time you can invest in this project. And I'm sure by the end of 2-3 months, once you complete the learning process and there is a support system, you will start making money. As I already told you, the traditional mobile app, that Ola, Amazon, that Ola, Go, Ibibo, Oyo app, they give you one-time referral, right? If you share with your team or if you're near dear one, they give you one-time referral benefit. What Vestige is offering you, lifetime referral benefit. This is the biggest advantage. I'm really thrilled. Just imagine, see, for example, you are 25, 30-year-old person or whatever age you have, and you have registered a guy, he's just 25-year-old. You are sitting in Mumbai and you have registered a person in Delhi. He's a young champ, he's a 25-year-old, newly married guy. And say, for example, next 30, 40, 50 years, whenever he or she is buying product from Vestige shop, every time you will get referral benefit. This is called recurring revenue model. Understand the money making philosophy. If you want to create a huge wealth, learn from the multimillionaires. What Facebook is doing. Mark Zuckerberg has created a huge network, social network. We are engaged, we are investing our time, data and efforts, but we are not making money. Mark Zuckerberg is making money. We are using DTH, right? But we have to pay every month 200, 500 rupees on a monthly basis. We are using Netflix. There is a monthly subscription, right? They have given you one option, online subscription. You have subscribed one time, then you have to pay lifetime. The same thing happens in Vestige. The only thing is required, you need to educate the person one time in a right way. Once the person is connected, once the person is confident and he is happy with the product, and if he continue to buy a product, then you are going to generate revenue lifetime. So this is the advantage. Let's understand how the income potential, how much money you can generate through the business model. Today, I'm just giving the overview, not in detail. For detail, just ask the person who has invited you. He's the right person to guide you in this project, right? The 3-step process. If you want to make money in this project through mobile app, first step is you need to get registration done. After registration, you just need to get your activation done. And after the activation, you need to use the product. Because until you don't use the product, how you can promote or recommend? Without knowing the quality of the product, without knowing the benefit of the product, you cannot promote anything. Just remember, have you ever promoted any product without using or experiencing it? Never ever. We as a human being, we only promote those things, those or product or services that we already experience, whether it's a restaurant, whether it's a movie or anything else, right? So the same thing applies over here also. First of all, you need to use the product, right? Just try the product. Vestige is committed for giving you world-class quality product at affordable price with money back guarantee. So can we try for 1 month or 2 months? You have 1 to 2 months of time. If you are happy, then you can continue the shopping. Otherwise, you can exit any point of time. There is no compulsion, no foundation. This is the beauty of the system. It's a very transparent system. No front loading fee that you have to buy 10,000, 25,000 product. It is you decide. You have got more than 4,000 product, right? 4,000 product. From good morning to good night, we have got everything, right? So we got a huge brand category, huge category. Now let's understand 3-step process. There is a company called Vestige. There is a you, and there is a system called Winning Team system, right? Winning Team is a corporation. Winning Team is an organization built by the professional, where you are going to get the training, professional training, how to build this business. Vestige company is giving the opportunity about the business model. Winning Team is going to teach you how to run this business effectively. And there are certain set of principles and rules and guidelines. If you follow those rules, principles and guidelines, then definitely you can become successful, right? So Winning Team system is going to help you to establish the business, to run the business, right? Now I've taken an example. For example, you did a shopping of 3,000 rupees, right? I'm sure in India, any middle class family, if he's making 10, 20,000 rupees, he's having monthly expense of 2,000, 5,000 rupees, isn't it? Even if you are not going to job, if you're not moving out of your home, but this is the expense you have to do on a monthly basis. There is no choice. So say for example, you did a shopping of 3,000 rupees. You like the product. I am assuming you like the product, right? Now you have shared this opportunity. The way I have presented the presentation to you, if you are new, if you are seeing this presentation first time, and if you think that Mr. Anup is having 5 years of experience, He's able to explain. How can I explain? So don't worry, right? Don't worry about it, right? There is a team, there is an upline team. We are there to help you out, right? You just need to plug your prospect, invite the prospect. We have a number of meetings throughout the week. You can plug those people in that meetings, and there is an expert person, those who are giving the presentation. After 5-10 presentation, you yourself can do the presentation. It's not a big deal. Whatever I am telling you, what I am doing, I'm just reading the printout PPT in front of you. No rocket science. It's very simple. I'm telling you, right? So the 10 people that you recommended, the turnover you make, the created is 30,000 turnover. Once you create 30,000 turnover, right, you did shopping of only 3,000 rupees and you recommended to 10 people. So totally, if you just calculate, it's around 30,000 plus turnover. The income you are going to get is around 3,000 rupees, including cashback and all the benefits. Just imagine, by educating, empowering 10 people, just sharing this mobile app, Vestige mobile app, 10 of your friends across country, anywhere, no geographical foundation. See the beauty, the power of the system. In order to start a traditional business, you need to invest, you need to buy a shop or take a shop on a rent, you need to invest in the products, you need to, lot of things. But here, the beauty of the business is that you are not supposed to do any complicated thing, right? There is just mobile app. You need to download the mobile app, get registered, start using the product, and just start recommending. But how to recommend, how to approach, there is a training, professional training is there. Once you complete the training, then only you can efficiently do this business. Or one thing I would like to suggest you, recommend you, without proper training, without complete information, don't start talking about this project, right? Otherwise, you will be in trouble, because people outside in the market, there lots of queries are there. They have lots of negativity, right? And they start talking to different queries in front of you. And if you're not able to handle those queries, you'll feel, boss, ye mere bas ka baat nahi hai. How can I do this? Right? It's very complicated. So for any new thing, it is said that you need to learn first, then you implement the knowledge, right? Without knowledge, without training, if you do anything, chances of failure are 100%. But if you learn something, right, then you start doing things, the chances of success is very higher. So there is a system, proven system is there to support you, guide you. So don't worry about it. Now these 10 people have recommended to 10 of their friends. So putting 10 people into 10 people, there is a network of 100 customers, 100 people doing shopping of 3,000 rupees. How much turnover is there? 3 lakh turnover is there. Just imagine you sitting in your home. You've just invested 2-3 hours of a day. You just started communication over phone. You just invited people in the Zoom meeting. By doing this activity in next 90 days, say for example, you are able to create people of 100 customers in your network, and your turnover is 3 lakh rupees, and you start making 25,000, 30,000 rupees at your home through your smartphone. Just imagine the power of the system. This is the ultimate power which is given by Vestige. Now these 100 people, they are also interested. They are very excited. They are also interested to make money. They have introduced some 10 people or more 10 people. Now there is a group of 1,000 people. They are doing shopping of 3,000. Total turnover is 30 lakh, and your monthly income is 2.5 lakh rupees a month. When I show the third step, 2.5 lakh rupees a month, people find it, boss, it's a very big scam. Don't show me the slide. Just a theoretical. How is it possible? It's the annual package of most of the people. When I started my career, this was my annual package. And you are telling that this income is going to become on a monthly basis. Just by changing the shop and brand, just by using this daily needs products, 3,000, 5,000 products. How is it possible? My dear friends, this is the power of the system. This is the power of consumer network by which it is possible. Now, let me ask you one question. In this process, 10, 100 and 1,000, which principle is working? Wealth creation formula is working or not? Unlimited manpower, unlimited time is equals to unlimited income. So this is the smartest way to create wealth. And this is the safest way. There is no risk involved, because what is your investment? Nothing. The amount which you pay to the company has given you the product. As simple as that. We are not asking money. You said deposit 10,000 rupees and we will double your amount in the next 3 months or 6 months. It's not like that. It's very simple, transparent and straightforward system, right? So this is the income potential. Now let me show you my mobile screen by which you can understand really this income is possible. I'm going to show you the live my mobile screen by which you can understand. Yes, people are there, those who are really making money. Because when I saw this presentation first time and the person said me that there are people who are making 20-30 lakh rupees a month, 50 lakh rupees a month, I thought there's a big scam. It's not possible. How is it possible? कैसे possible है ये? इतना income तो कभी सोचे ही नहीं, because when we are in a job, we think about 2 lakh, 5 lakh, 10 lakh rupees, 15 lakh rupees a package, right? इतना package होगा तो our life will be set. But here you are talking about 10, 20, 50 lakh rupees a month. My dear friend, it's possible. The only thing is that you need to think big. There are thousands of opportunity, lakhs of opportunity out there, but this opportunity is going to only work when you trust the person, right? So the person who has invited you in today's session, I am telling you, he is an angel. I am telling you, he is a God sent angel to you. Whenever we are struggling in life, someone sends some opportunity to you, right? And today, if you are there in this presentation, definitely God has a plan for you. Don't take this opportunity lightly. See, it's totally up to you whether you want to do it or not, right? My only intention objective is that before you say no to this project, let's understand, invest some time on this project, understand the things, understand the concept, understand the product. Then if you realize after 1 month, see, things are not working for me, product is not good, then you can exit any point of time. No foundation. Let me show you my mobile screen, just a moment, and then I will finish the presentation. See, that's how it looks like. This is my presentation and this is my mobile screen. The business which I was discussing, Vestige business, the entire business you can track on our mobile phone 24/7. If you are living in Dubai, Bahrain, Nepal, Bangladesh, across country, wherever you are, if you are having a smartphone internet connection, you can monitor entire your business. Just a click. See the power of the business. Here is the network. I have got 4,86,000 people in my network, like close to 5 lakh people in my network. And the best part is that I don't know all of them. I have not approached 5 lakh people. I just know 10, 100, 200, 500 people personally, not more than that. But it is the power of multiplication. It is the power of duplication, that people which I introduce, they have introduced all many people, then they introduce lot many people. So that's how a big network is created. Now this is called group turnover, group PV. PV stand for personal volume, purchase volume, point volume, right? The 1 point is equals to 30 rupees, because it's a global business opportunity. Let me tell you one thing. If you sign up in India and if you are having one of your friends in Dubai, Nepal, Bangladesh, Bahrain, wherever, right? Wherever Vestige is there, you can register your friend sitting in India. And if you do the shopping in Dubai, Bangladesh, or wherever, you'll get commission in India. It's a global business opportunity, I'm telling you. So this is a group turnover, 4,58,000, right? And this is my personal volume. It's 171 points. If you multiply 458 into 30, it would be around close to 2 crores, right? It is close to 2 crores turnover. And this is of this month only. ये इसी महीने का turnover है. And this 2 crore turnover, my contribution is how much? Around 4 to 5,000 rupees. So this is a pure power of solid consumer network, right? Now, if you want to see, you have introduced some person in Delhi, you have introduced a person in Bangalore, Chennai, different part. Now, how you understand that person is doing shopping, what is the turnover of that particular group or team? So don't worry about it. There is an option called network. I will click on this option. You can track entire of your business. You can track the performance of entire of your team at any point of time. So there is no fake, no bluff system. Whatever it is there, everything is online. Whatever turnover, shopping, business is there, you can watch it. Now let's understand the income. Here it is, the income. Bonus. I started this business in the month of March 2015. This was my first month bonus. I started this business in March 2015, 5 years back. First month bonus was 23,000 rupees approx. The turnover of my team was there around 2.5 lakh rupees or 3 lakh rupees at that particular month. And this was my income in the first month. Second month, if I talk about, this income was around 46,000. Now, how is it possible? It is because of the team. First month, there was 50 people was there, then 50 people introduced some more people. So as your team grows, your turnover grows. And whenever you increase your turnover, your business grows, your income is automatically growing by default. And the income which you get in Vestige is based on the turnover. The bigger the team, the bigger the turnover, and the bigger the income you'll achieve. In April 2015. Now this was in August 2015. Within 6 months, it was 1,30,000. Do you think this kind of increment is possible in your job or whatever profession you are in today? Just ask from yourself honestly. Will it be possible to get increment like this in any of the profession which you are today? Not at all possible. I have worked in private companies for 7 years, 6, 7 years. Did a private job as a manager. I know the pain and pressure. You are working on someone else. This is a platform where you can fulfill your own dreams. You are working for your own self. You are the boss. There is a team is going to support you, right? August 2016, after 1 year, it was around 1.98, close to 2 lakh rupees a month. 2017, it is around 4.38 lakh rupees a month, close to 4.38 lakh rupees a month. My God, just imagine. It's around 10 lakh rupees a month. August 2018, 10 lakh rupees a month. It's the annual package of a senior manager level, but there's a monthly income. Now let me tell you straight away 2020, the entire year of pandemic, lockdown, millions of people lost their job, thousands and people have lost their businesses, they has to shut down their businesses. But this is the only industry in the world which is growing 10, 20, 30% month after month, year after year. It's a recession-proof business model, I am telling you. And this is the biggest reward which this company gives you, or this model gives you. Financial security. See, I have not to worry. I'm least bothered. I've never, for last 1.5 years, I'm not moving from my place. I'm sitting at home doing Zoom meetings, and my monthly income, I'm getting monthly payouts. Is it possible, the profession which you are today? Just ask from a simple question from yourself. Is it possible in your profession? If answer is yes, then don't do this business. If you have financial security, if you are multiplying, if you are able to multiply the income the way I show you, if the potential, if you are, whatever you are doing, if you have the potential in that profession, then continue doing that. But if you don't find the financial security in your current profile, if you're not able to multiply your income, not able to grow your income the way I show, then definitely start this business without any barrier in your mind, right? There is no risk in this business. The only risk of this business is if you say no to this business, because if you're not going to start this business, what else you have in your hands? So with this, I hope I am able to convey my message and you all are able to understand. If you're able to understand whatever I discussed, right, you can type in the comment box or let me unmute you all and we'll close the session, right? I'm just unmuting you all, and if you have any question, you can ask me, and for next 2-3 minutes, we'll close the session, right? Yes, Mr. Vijay, if you want to add something, you can add. Mr. Vijay Dheeraj. Yes, Vijay ji, would you like to say something?
Yes, sir. It is a beautiful presentation, and I understand